there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade condensed milk. If you go to any bazaar and you bought a nearly 100 ml of this condensed milk also, you need to pay nearly 120 rupees, and you just need one or two ingredients to make this recipe. It's that easy, and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to do this. So without much wait, let's see how this condensed milk is made in your home only. So let's do this. And now the ingredients required to make this recipe are a half liter of full fat milk, 2/3 cup of sugar, a pinch of cooking soda, ghee for greasing. Look, to make this recipe always prefer using a non-stick cookware. So what I will do is, to the sides I will apply some ghee. We apply the ghee just to avoid the sticking of the milk to the sides. I will put this pan to the heat, and now I will add this full fat milk into this. And we'll add the sugar. And we need to dissolve the sugar completely in the milk in a low flame. Make sure you always keep this in a low flame. The important use of applying the ghee is, if I push the milk also, look, it's not sticking to the edges. This is the use, this is a tip you need to follow while by greasing the sides with some ghee. And now you increase the flame and you should cook the milk for about 20 to 25 minutes on a medium flame until it reduces to half of its consistency. Keep in mind, while you boiling this milk, you should continuously stir it, or else there is a slight chance of sticking to the bottom. That is why I always prefer using a non-stick bottom, even though you should keep on stirring continuously. And now you can see it's boiling for about 10 minutes. The milk is also coming to a nice color, just like the store-bought product, and it needs to cook for another 5 minutes. But do remember one thing, while mixing this milk, you should always scrape off the sides, or else it will start graining and it doesn't go well with this condensed milk. And it will take another 5 minutes to do it completely. Just keep mixing and at the same time keep scraping from the sides. And now look, it's nearly been 8 to 9 minutes approximately. Now look, the consistency of the milk is also getting thicker by thicker. Look, like this. At this time we lower the flame, and in this the regular cooking soda, a pinch of it. It will help in keeping this consistency for a longer time, and there will be no lump should be formed. Keep in mind, when this condensed milk gets cold, even then it will get some more thicker. Keep that in mind. Now you can see the condensed milk is perfectly ready. It looks nice and frothy. And look, now the consistency is also perfectly pouring. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And now this condensed milk is now ready. Just look at this, how beautiful this is. And here you go, you yourself made a beautiful and yummy, a perfect milkmaid or the condensed milk in your home. That too using just 3 ingredients. And make sure you do this in my method and let me know how it went in the comment section down below. And don't forget to follow our Instagram and Facebook pages, and I will be keep posting more tips and tricks on what's coming next in those social media handles. So make sure you follow them also. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another new recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.